I woke up, I found that my PayPal says future payment will be put on hold for 21 days. The reason my PayPal says this is that I have reached the limit, my monthly limit. PayPal is these days giving a limit of $600 to new PayPal account, and once you get that, until you come and say no, you know your option, PayPal will put your cash on hold. So once I saw this, I got they says know your options. Once we see this button know your options, it tells me that the sales for this month, March 2024, is $453 over the given $600. So I have a limit of 146. Then my cash will be held for 21 days. So this is the reason why funds are held. Any fund that above $6 from sales of each month will be held up to 21 days. We can see you are getting close to that. Funds may be held for many reasons, such that we noticed an unusual large increase in your sales. So we'll come here to request an increase in the amount available in each month. We will request that. So after that, we'll be able to open. Once we click this, we'll get request of an increase. You can request an increase in the month immediately available to you each month, providing more information about your expected sales. How much do you expect to receive from sales over the next 3 months? If this amount changes, you can submit another request in the next 30 days. So we'll come here and select, maybe we expect to receive maybe in the how much do you expect to receive from sales per month over the next 3 months? I expect to receive maybe 5,000 to $10,000. Let me click 10,000, then submit request. Your request will be submitted. We review your request and email you in 3 business days. So that has been done. This is lifestyle tutorials. In case you have any issue with PayPal, kindly reach out.